This is the GG-B100 Mudmaster from G-Shock. In this series of short videos, we'll be showing you exactly how to get the most out of the functions and features in this military grade timepiece. First things first, the GG-B100 is a G-Shock watch. Therefore, it's 200 meters water resistant as standard, can be dropped from the height of a 3-story building, is entirely vibration proof and completely impervious to temperature change.
The GG-B100 also features G-Shock's carbon core guard technology. By integrating carbon fibre into the casing of the watch, the Mudmaster is not only stronger but also lighter than ever before.
The Mudmaster is also part of our Master of G range of watches, which are trusted by servicemen and women the world over. Finally, as the name suggests, the Mudmaster is completely mud resistant. This actually refers to the unique gaskets built into each of the buttons on the side of the watch. As a result, nothing can get inside the watch. Mud, grit, dirt, sand is completely impervious, providing peace of mind and reliability wherever you happen to be.